So hey people, this is Susano Kamiya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I am going to show you the making of my third activity in my computer-aided design subject. So for today, we are tasked to draw this figure on our AUTOCAD. So this figure is called a power feed bracket. So as you can see, there's a lot of dimension lines and other lines with different colors. So it's a bit confusing. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, we're gonna set our layers. These layers will be helpful in identifying the colors of or different colors of the line that we're gonna be using in this activity. So first, let's add layer by clicking this one. So let's name this layer as dimension for our dimension line. So let's change the color into red. And change then another layer. We're gonna name that as hidden. We're gonna change that color to green. Okay. Then another one. So let's name that purple for the purple lines in our image. And let's change, of course, the color to purple. Then let's change the line type of this one into this one, center 2. Click that and okay. Then let's change this one to hidden. There you go. Click that hidden. Okay. So now we're done with presetting our layer. So let's get started. So first, we're gonna draw a circle. We're gonna use center diameter. So our first circle will have a diameter of 1.13. Enter. Then our next circle will be having a diameter of let's check endpoint, midpoint, center, quadrant, and intersection. Okay. Our next circle will have a diameter of 2.06. There. Then our third circle will be 2.88 in diameter. Then we're gonna draw a line from this center downwards. Let's use ortho, or let's press F8 for it to be easier to draw a straight line. So that line will have a length of 1.49. Next, we're gonna draw a line to the right with a length of 2.62. Then escape. Let's draw a circle here. We'll use center radius. So we'll set that radius into 0.375. Enter. Then we're gonna use again the center diameter, and we'll set the diameter of our second circle to 1.88. Okay. Then we'll draw a line from this center point to the right with a length of 5.26. Then we're gonna extend that line upward, and we'll set the length of that line to 1.62. Enter. Then extend this line to the left with a length of 3.62. then downwards with a length of 1.26. Enter. Then extend this line to the left, to the right again with a length of 3.62. Then escape. Okay. So now we're going to connect this second circle to this one and this one to this one. So we're going to use tangent, and to do that we're going to click the command L, enter, shift, and together with the right click in our mouse. So we're going to use tangent. So before that, escape, click, oh snap. We're gonna uncheck these boxes for us to be easier to set those tangent line. So again, L, enter, shift, right click to the mouse, and tangent. Then the second circle, be tangent here. Okay. So we're gonna use fillet command with F, R, and let's set the radius to 0.12. Enter. Okay, then fillet. This one and this one. Then lastly, this one and this one. Okay. And then we're going to use tangent again to connect this circle to this one. So again, let's enter L, enter, shift, right click the mouse, and tangent. So going to click that one and connect it to this one. Okay, so we're done. Now we're going to put the dimension of this upper part first. So you'll click the dimension, of course, then annotate, click linear, then from this point to this point. Oh, wait up. We'll have to change the text color, so let's click DIM style, then click modify. So our text color will be green based on our image that we're imitating. Then we'll set our primary units to 0.00 for 2 decimal places. Okay, then close. Then let's click dimension. So from this point let's click oh snap, and let's again check the boxes that we unchecked earlier. Okay, so that's 5.26. Then from this point go to 0.76. little bit upward and put it there. Then another one from this point. We're gonna have 2.26. Let's make it okay. Then another one, dimension from this point to this point, just 3.62. Okay. Next up, we're gonna draw a line at the middle of this rectangle. So back home. Oh, let me change first the layer. Okay. So we're gonna draw a circle here. I'm gonna use this as the reference line. So that will have a diameter of 0.375. Then another circle to this one with a diameter of 3.75 as well. 0.375. Okay. Then we're gonna erase that line there. Okay. Next, we're gonna draw a line here to here. Then another line to the midpoint of this image. So let's trim that excess line by clicking TR. Okay, escape. Then we're going to fillet this one to end this line. So F, enter, R, enter, 0.94. So this line and this line. And then we're going to extend that line. Okay. So next, going to draw a line here with a length of 1.70. Then upward with a length of 0.56. Okay. Then another one to this one, 0.56 as well. Then we're gonna extend that to that circle. Then we'll do the same in the other one here. Then let's trim the excess line by clicking the R, enter, enter. There you have it. Then next one, we're going to draw a line from the bottom of the circle downwards. And let's set that length to 0.97. Then extend it to the left with a length of 0.47. Enter. And extend that to this intersection. Escape. Then another one to the right side. So again, 0.47. Enter. Upward. Let's extend it to the circle. Escape and trim that excess line. Okay. Then from this center, we're going to draw a line to the left and to the right with 0.28 in length. And let's extend that upward with a length of 0.77. escape. Then let's do the left portion. Again, 0.28. Extend upward. Again. Do it again. Extend upward to the length again of 0.77, and let's connect the two lines. Now we're going to be trimming our excess lines. So again, you can use the trim command, but for me it will be easier if we're going to just erase those excess lines. But let's use trim first. So those lines that cannot be use trim. So let's just erase that later on. Okay. Let's just erase the other lines. Escape. This one. This one. This one and this one. There are the lines there. Let's escape it first. Click E to erase that. Other one. So I want to apologize for the unnecessary noise that you'll be hearing while watching this vlog. Okay, there you have it. So first, let's extend this line to the center of the circle, of this dimension line to the center of the circle. So we're now finished. Let's now put our dimensions and the other lines, the purple lines and the green lines here. So to do that in CAD, first let's do the purple line. So we're going to change our layer to this purple. So as you can see, the line type will be this one. That will be from this point okay, next one be from this point let's trim that one. Okay. Our last one, our last purple line will be in the middle of this one. Let's start off from that point to this point. There you have it. We're done with the purple lines. Let's now draw the green line. So first we're going to draw a circle here. No, let's first change the green lines and our layers to hidden, which is the green lines. So let's draw a circle with a diameter of 4.7136. Okay, and let's trim that one. I think we forgot something. Based on the image, we don't have this one here. So let's draw that first before continuing the dimensioning. So to draw that, we can change our layers. Okay, we're going to draw a line from this one that will be with a length of 3.023 tab and an angle of 82. Okay, escape. We're going to offset this line. Let's first change the line property to by layer. Okay, we're going to offset this line to the left and to the right with 0.28 distance. So to do that, offset, enter, click the line at 0.28. Another one, this point. Okay, the next one we're going to draw a red line from here. So we're going to change our layer again. So from here, we're going to draw a line downward with a length of 1.0418 and an angle of 99. Okay, there you have it. Then we're going to extend that line to the right, and we're going to set that distance to 0.28 tab and an angle of 13. Then going to draw another line from here to here with again a distance of 0.28 tab and an angle of 167. Okay, then we're going to draw lines here by using our hidden line. So we're going to click that hidden to our properties. So upward, we're going to set, first let's change this to hidden. Okay, so we're going to set that to 0.88 tab with an angle of 82 degrees. And we're going to extend this line to the left. Let's set that to 0.56 or 65 tab with an angle of 173. Enter. Then we're going to do the same thing on the right side. So we're going to draw a line here with a length of 0.88 and an angle of 82 degrees. extend the line here with a distance of, or length of 0.65, tab, and 7 degrees. There. So we're going to do the same thing in the lower portion of this one. So that will be 0.88, tab with an angle of 99 degrees. Then we'll extend that line here to the left with with a length of 0.65, tab, an angle of 173. Same thing on the right side. Extend that downwards, 0.88 length, and 99 degrees. The left or to the right with 0.65, tab, 7 degrees. There. So now we're going to trim the excess lines. Let's draw a line here. A line here. And line here. And lastly, a line here. And let's use the command trim. Enter. This one, this one, this one, and this one. And for those lines left, we're just going to erase those lines. Select them and click. Okay, erase. And we're going to offset these lines, these green hidden lines. So let's click F, enter, R, enter, 0.12. This line to this line. F, enter. After that, we're going to erase or trim these red lines. So for me, I'm going to just erase it. And these white lines on that we have offset earlier. So let's erase that. Okay. And now we're going to be continuing our dimensioning part. So let's start with, okay, let's click dimension to the layers to annotate dimensions. This point, okay. Then from, sorry about that. next one will be from here to here. Okay. Then from here here. Okay. Next one will be here to here. And from here. Okay. From here. Oh, wait up. Okay, again. We do that. Let's choose the line instead. Okay, and let's move this one. Like this, okay. And let's choose this one. And let's move it to this side. Okay. Now, we're going to put the green hidden lines at this point with a length of 0.1866. So first, let's draw. Let's see. Let's set that as 0.1866. And the text, let's extend that up to. Let me do that. Another one. Oh, okay, that's fine. Then another line here. Length up 0.1866 again. Then let's extend that up here. Then let's trim this point and this point. Escape. Then let's erase these lines. Okay. We can offset this line. Oh, enter. Set this distance of 0.15. Oh. Wait up. Oh, enter. Another one. Okay. And let's transform this one to green hidden lines. So call it the green and hidden. This one. Okay. And lastly, for our circles, the measurement of our circles. So I'll snap first. Let's uncheck these boxes first. For it to be easier to place those dimensions. This is this one. Oh, let me first change this to dimension. This one, letter. This point. Okay. Green color and symbol diameter. This circle's diameter is 1.13. Next one. From this point. This circle's diameter is 2.88. Next one would be this one. That circle's diameter is obviously 2.06. Next one will be this one. That circle's diameter is 1.88. Just move it a bit here. Okay. The next one is this. Diameter of that one is 0.94. And for the last one, going to the dimension of this one, which is 2.38. Oh, let me change the color first. That's 2.38 R. Okay, we're done with the left hand side of our figure. So let's now go to the right hand side. So now let's start with the right portion of our image, which is this side. So we're gonna start up with this line, with this line. Gonna add a line to the left, a measurement of 3. Then going to align this line to this one. Okay. Then we're going to set that measurement with 1.88. There you have it. We have successfully created a box. Next up, we're going to measure a dimension from here, 0.56. Extend it upward. Then for our guide, let's create another dimension with 5.06. You have it, and extend it upward here. Then we can measure another dimension from here to here with 0.38. And then let's back home and change our layer to the original, and we're going to create a line. Forgot to check these boxes. Okay. Let's trim that one. Then we're going to release the 0.38, this dimension here. And we're going to here. Then let's use this midpoint as a guideline for the height. Enter. Then let's go 0.62. Extend it downward. There you have it. Next one, we're going to add another line from here, and we're going to be utilizing this line as the height of that line that we're going to draw. let's set that distance or length 0.70. Then we're gonna be using this line here as the height of this line. Okay. Okay. Then we're going to add dimension lines again to avoid confusion. 0.62. Extend that higher. Okay. Next one. Dimension here. Here. Okay. Okay. Next one, we're gonna draw a line here which measures 0.14, and we will extend that downward here. Okay. Now we're going to be making another dimension. Annotate from here to here, which measures 1.30. Okay. Then we're going to draw a line. We're going to use the top of that circle as our guideline. Okay. And draw a line here. Trim that. Let's trim that again. Extend this line here. Let's change the layer of this line. Green. Okay. I'm going to connect that line here to this endpoint. Okay. Then I'm going to draw a circle here. I'm gonna use the diameter with a measurement of 0.375. Okay. And then I can measure the midpoint of this one. This point. Okay. And we're going to draw a line here. So we can use that midpoint that one and change its properties. Hidden and its color to green. Okay. This one as well. Okay, there I have it. And we're gonna copy this line. So, copy this line. That one, okay. Then let's draw a line here downwards 0.16. Then let's connect that line to this line. And let's erase that line. Okay. Then let's add dimensions again. Let's change our layer to red. Annotate. I'm gonna polish this one. Oh, do that. Okay. Let me use fillet here. So F, enter, R, enter. Okay. And extend that line rather. Then, no, F, this point and this one. Okay. Then, no. Here, do all of that. Should be here, okay. Next one is this one, F. Okay, extend it downward here to this endpoint. Okay, also gonna complete this line here. Do fillet again. This line, okay. And the line there. Then, the line here. Then let's do the excess line. Okay. Next one, let's fillet this one. That's this. That's it. We're going to adjust our dimensions. Okay. This one as well. So it must be 1.70. Okay, we're pretty much done there at that part. Then next one, we're gonna be adding some dimension here. There you have it. Okay. Excuse me. to extend it here as our guideline. Okay. Next one, we're gonna draw a line from here. We'll change the property. Then we're gonna add dimension here. 1.12. Oh, okay, let me do that. Again. Okay. Then we're going to draw a circle. And we're going to use this one as the guide for our midpoint. I'm sorry about that. I'm going to use center radius. Then another circle with radius of 0.6. Okay. Next one will be that line there. We're gonna draw a guideline again from this point. Of course, to this point. Extend the excess line. Okay. Then extend these lines here. Okay, There's fillet there. Okay. Okay. Pretty much done there. I'm going to draw a line. We're going to change the line properties of these lines. Okay. Pretty much done there. Let's add some. Okay, and let's add a symbol here. With a radius of 0.2. Okay, then let's draw lines. Here to here. Then let's use fillet. Okay, we're done with that part. So our image is almost done. Extend this to this point. So the next thing that we're going to do is to add dimensions again. Add it, dimension. From here, we have 4.70. Let's extend that downward here. Then we're going to add another dimension from here. Okay, let's put that there. Then I forgot here the dimension line. Of this one. Okay, done that part. Now, what we're going to do is to draw a line here. Let's change that first. It up. $1.5. Let's draw a circle there with a radius of 1.5. Okay, and another circle here. And we're going to trim. Right there. Let's circle. Okay. Dimension again from here will be 3.38. Okay, and let's use that as the center point of our circle. I'm gonna draw a circle. With a radius of 0.1875. Then another circle, the diameter of 1.12. Okay. Gonna draw a line here, 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 and line here to here. Okay. This one. Okay. Erase this first. Escape. Radius. Let's set that radius to 1.76. Then another okay. And again, we're going to trim. Okay. Let's just erase this excess points here. extend this one. This end. Okay, we're pretty much done here. Down a bit here. Okay, we're done, almost done here. Just adjusting some of the dimension lines. Let's add another dimension line there. It will be the date. So from here to here. Oh, I forgot to change the layer. So let's annotate this. This. That'll be it. And lastly, let's extend this line to this point. And let's add the okay. I want to check this so I can easily place my multi-letter here. So this here is 0.12 and the symbol or 1.12 rather. Okay, and no. Let's change the precision of this line to 4 decimal places. So we want to achieve the to red. Yes. Okay. And another. And lastly. Okay. I almost forgot the just 2.30. Okay, I guess we're done here, and that is our finished product. We have successfully drawn our power feed bracket in our AutoCAD with its corresponding dimension lines. So again guys, thank you for watching this video. So please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for you to be updated to my next upcoming vlogs. So thank you and God bless us all.